Hi friends. So today we are going to discuss the classification of different converters. So in any converter, in any power electronic converters, there should be classification. There are so many types. Okay. So today we will discuss the classification of rectifiers. So let me write rectifiers first. So whenever we are going for any of the classifications, first we should know what is meant by the concerned converter. So the concerned converter AC rectifier is a conversion from it is a converter which converts from AC to DC. So for any power electronic converter, the concept is like this. There is one converter and it has an input and it has an output. So this is an input and this is an output. So based on these three things we have to classify the concerned converters. So coming to this point, here it has been clearly declared that we are doing the classification of rectifiers. So the input will always be either single phase or three phase supply. Coming to the converter means there are two aspects. One is the devices what we are using there, and the second one is the in which way we are using them. Okay, so first let me go ahead with the devices. So popularly we are using two devices, one is diode and second one is thyristor. And the next one is how they are connected. So they are connected in which configuration? So generally they are off wave and full wave configurations, and even semi configuration also, that is called semi converter. Okay, that parts also we will see. And the next output, coming to output, so the output means load. So which load we are going to deal with? Maybe R load, RL load or RLE load. So with these things we can conclude the converter names. Okay, we can conclude the converter names by combination of all these things. Now let us see how best we can deal with it. The first one will be, so let me take one from each. This is one, this is one, this is one, this is one. So the first converter will be single phase off wave diode rectifier with R load. So this is one converter. Similarly, another converter will be same thing, maybe single phase off wave diode rectifier with RL load. So in the similar fashion we can write single phase off wave diode rectifier with RLE load. RLE load is generally motor load with RLE load. Okay, so these are the different types of rectifiers with single phase off wave configuration and diode rectifiers. Okay, now if you want me to continue with the diode only, then I will finish it off with complete set of converters or rectifiers available with us. So let me go ahead with this. So I am fixing the diode here. Okay, and next one is single phase. So off wave is completed, so let me go ahead with full wave. So full wave diode rectifier with R load. and single phase full wave diode rectifier with RL load. And the third one will be single phase full wave diode rectifier with RLE load. Okay, same thing happens for semi converter also. So I am changing these three. You can just see I am keeping this as constant, and I am keeping this one also constant, and I am simply changing this one. Then I have one more thing, that is semi converters. So single phase semi converter with diode. Okay, semi converter concept may not come for the half wave. Semi converter diode rectifier with RL load. With first one is R load, and next is single phase semi converter with RL load. Single phase semi diode rectifier with RL load. Okay, semi converter configuration is the combination of diode and thyristor. Okay, so that's why these three things will not be there. Okay, they will be discussed in only after we have studied the thyristors. That means, so these six things are there with the diode rectifiers. Okay, let me remove this one. So these things are not existing. We have only 6 configurations with single phase diode. Okay, diode rectifier. And the next one, 3 phase, same thing will come. And coming to thyristor, you have the semi converter. For if you use thyristor, you will get the semi converter. I will just let me know. Yeah, you can see this is the thyristor one. Single phase semi converter means thyristor should be there. Semi converter. So no need to write thyristorized also. You can simply write semi converter with R load. Okay, so semi converter means it contains 2 thyristors and 2 diodes. So similarly, single phase semi converter with RL load. Similarly, single phase semi converter with RLE load. So these are the concepts. Okay, so the top 6. So the top 6 converters are for diodes and also for the thyristors. So these many converters we need to study. So the main idea here is, shall we study all these converters? Yes, we have to study. So the better thing is see the transition. So how they are transitioned. For example, what is there in half wave diode rectifier with R load, and what will happen if I change this R load with RL load. Just know that one, that's sufficient. What will happen if I change this RL load to RLE load? Okay, so in this way you have to identify. Then it will be very easy. So rectifiers are not only rectifiers, any converter is easy. First you should know how they are classifying. Okay, based on what they are classifying and what is the difference among those two. That's it. Okay, if you find any difficulty, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much. If you feel it useful, please like this video and share this video with your friends and family. If you still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that we can reach you whenever we upload any video, and please press the bell button also. Thank you so much.